Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Kral and I'm a watercolour artist. Welcome to my channel. I upload watercolour paintings every week and I also upload tutorials of how to paint flowers and landscapes and step-by-step process. This year I'm embarking on something a bit new and you can join my Patreon site where each month I'm going to have a detailed course on a flower where we will study and I will upload a video on YouTube so everyone can see it, but to my Patreons they get special step-by-step instructions plus extra photos they can download and tips and hints on how I paint, and hopefully it will inspire you to create some lovely paintings. I also love to paint landscapes as well and I occasionally upload them onto here, and I also love to create texture in watercolour, and I will be showing you some tips and hints on how to create some lovely textures. So please join my channel by subscribing and hit the bell so you get updated whenever I upload a new video. And if you'd like to join my Patreon site, come and support me on there. I'd be forever thankful. The link's up here, I think, on the little eye, and also down below, somewhere down there. Come and join me on a watercolour journey and you'll be able to paint lovely, beautiful flowers and landscapes by the end of it. Bye.